What's up, YouTube? I have another product. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. So it's basically the glass temper glass for the Apple Watch. It comes in a little container like this. It's 3-pack. Basically, get it open. And your tempered glass are right in here. As you can see, it's very small. This is for an iWatch, and you have 3. And also it comes with your wipes. Pretty cool. You have 3 little glass. And for a cheap price, protect your glass because it can get scratches and it looks ugly. Well, like I said, in my description there will be a link of where to buy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.